right, so let's hop into Videoleap. And at the bottom is hit the big plus sign right there at the bottom. And that will let you pull in your footage. So let's grab the clip that we want to use. I just shot one long clip of me on one side of the couch, and then another one of me on the other side of the couch. And basically what I'm going to do now is create a mask right down the middle where half of the scene will be seen on one layer, half on the other, and it'll look pretty seamless as if they're all just basically sitting in the same room. So let's take a look at the footage. This is me sitting down on this side and I'm playing guitar. And then later on, I came back and I sat on the other side and I took off my jacket, put on a different hat. And so we're going to make these two people interact. So first, let's get this clip there. To split down a clip in Videoleap, select the clip, and then at the bottom here, you have some options. You're going to scroll over to split. Hit split, and that will split that over. And then over here, so now this is its own clip, and this is its own clip. So I'm going to keep that clip for the end part, and we're actually going to move that to the mixer. And the way you do that is at the bottom. Scroll all the way to the right and click on mixer. And what it will do is take that footage, put it on a layer above the bottom footage. So now you can start building your layers up. And what we're going to do is hold it, and we're going to just take it back here to where we want it. I'm thinking, let's see, let's go back just a little bit. And I think I'm going to go from maybe like right around, say there. And then down below, what we're going to do is split this clip to right about there. And the reason is that I don't need all that extra stuff in the beginning. That was just kind of me walking up, and I don't really need that. So now we're going to take this footage. We're going to move it all the way now back to the beginning by clicking and holding it, and then you just kind of scooch it all the way back. So now you'll see me coming in, but you're going, hey, what about the clip underneath? How do we make that happen? And this is where masking comes in. So with the above layer selected like this, we're going to go on the bottom here and go to mask. Once you hit mask, you're going to get some options here. You could do mirror, linear, radial, rectangle, and invert. I'm going to just do a linear mask, and as you can see, it's split it vertically, but we need to turn that horizontally, so we just turn it horizontally, and you can see we're already sitting together. So you can see how this is working now. I'm just going to maybe scooch this just a little bit that way, just so it doesn't hit my elbow when I come sitting down, and it looks a lot better. And so now we have both of us sitting there. I've cloned myself. We're reacting to each other. And that's basically it. So that is how you create a mask in Videoleap. Oh, I hit the wrong button. So that's how you create a mask in Videoleap, everybody. And you can play around with this as much as you want. As you can see, you could put text there, have text maybe like come in and out. But for this particular effect, to clone yourself, to do one of those cloning kind of videos, this is the basics of it. So anyway, I hope that helped you out. And that's how we got the video in the beginning. You can check that out in the beginning of the video by just rewinding. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you know when we have new videos coming up. We're going to be doing more in Videoleap. I've been having a lot of fun with this program. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Again, this is BC, and I will see you in the next video.